First position goes to Boss Dan. Boss Jericho to si Ralph for 2 points. Basket yan mga Lodi. Boss Pompom. Long pass to Boss Senior. Pull up basket. Bawi agad. Charles Martin. Lay up basket. Boss Pompom. Stealing by Boss Dan. For triple down. Wala. Boss Jiharo. Pull up basket. Why wala. Rebound Boss Jericho. Kahayag. Number 22 to 1962. Agas. For 2 point. Boss Pompom waiting. To his teammate. Bank shot. Basket. Charles Martin nasundutan. Long pass to Boss J. To Boss Pompom. Boss Danilo for pasala kay Boss Jericho. Basket yan mga idol. Boss Dinky to Boss Jiharo. Reverse basket. Boss Danilo to Charles Martin. Number 24. Pull up jump. Basket yan. Nice to pick up. Good luck, good luck. Boss Pompom. Pull up jump. Basket. Uy, wala. Rebound Boss Jericho. Boss Jericho. Coast to coast. Wala. Dinky. Junior, wala pa rin. Si Ralph. 4-2, wala. Junior Lever. To Boss Pom. Wala pa rin. Charles Martin, basket. Boss J. Haro, coast to coast. Nice layup. Left-handed shot. Boss Danilo looking to Raagas. 1962 to si Ralph. Pass to Raagas. Sit up for triple. Wala po. Junior Lever. To Boss Pompom. Nabitawan ng bola. Charles Martin. Pull up to. Wala. Junior Lever, the rebound. Junior Lever, coast to coast, all the way to the basket. Stealing by Boss Jiharo. For 2 points, basket. Turnover. Boss J again. To Boss Pom. Basket yan. First Pom, by Boss Pompom. Si Ralph to Boss Jericho Haro, coast to coast. Wala po. Boss J, long pass, basket. Waiting. Si Ralph to Boss Danilo. Pull up 2 point. Basket yan mga idol. Another good pass to. May kasamang foul. First free throw of the night. Wala. Final throw, basket. Si Ralph looking to pass, basket. Stealing by Boss Dan. Boss Dan to Boss Jericho. Wala. Another turnover. Intercept by Raagas. To si Ralph, pull up jump, basket. Junior Lever, basket. Boss Dinky, pull up basket. Rainbow shot. Charles, pull up 2 point. Wala. Boss J, the rebound. To Boss Pomporompom. To Junior Lever. Uy, wala. Boss Danilo. To si Ralph. For 2 point basket. Junior Leber. Wala. For triple downtown. Wala. Rebound Boss Dinker. Leber. May kasamang foul. Final throw. Malakas. Si Ralph got the ball. Boss Jericho. Boss Danilo. So si Ralph, wala pa rin. Si Ralph again, wala. Charles Martin. Basket. 94. Boss J. Boss Pompom for triple. Wala. Boss J. And one. Basket. Boss Jericho. To si Ralph. Basket yan.
26. 23.
Hop. Junior Leber. To estimate for 3. Boss J. Follow up by Boss Jake. Tira Tris. Boss Jake.
Good.
Boss Denke for 2 points. Op, malakas. Junior Leber, dumidiskarte. To Boss Pomporompo for triple down. Pinasala. Pasala kay Boss Jeharo. Wala. Boss Danilo. To Boss Jericho Har. Wala. For 2 points, wala. Uy, hinay. Raagas. For 2 points, wala. Sirato. Charles Mantel, bang shot, wala. Boss Jericho the rebound. Another. Boss Jericho nabitawan ang bola. Magawa ng bola, Boss Danilo. Boss Danilo, pull up to basket. Follow up by Boss Jiharo. Final throw, wala. Geraldo Charles Martin. Nice fade. Uy, wala. Basket. Kaagas for triple downtown basket. Junior Leber for triple, wala. Boss Pompom the rebound. Dumidiskarte pa. Sir Martin basket. Boss Pom, another turnover. Boss Pom, basket. Naragas to Boss Jericho. Wala. Reverse, wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Raagas. Boss Danilo. 4-2, basket. Boss Pompom. Wala pa rin. Boss Danilo, basket. Boss Jiharo, 4-3, basket. Boss Jericho, coast to coast. Uy, wala. Boss J, waiting for basket. Boss Dan for the win, basket. The game is over.